So next topic is characteristics of covalent bond. So it is an important 5-mark question. Sometimes they will ask this question in 5 mark or maybe in 3 mark. 3 mark means you write 3 points. Sometimes if they ask in 2 mark means you write 2 points. Safe side whenever you write extra point for 2 marks and 4 marks. In 5 marks no. So already it is only I have only 5 points, so you have to write all 5 points in 5 marks. Suppose if they ask in 3 mark means you write 4 points. If they ask in 2 marks means you write 3 points. Safe side you always write extra 1 point for 2 mark and 3 mark. But 5 problem, so you have to write all the points, that is 5 points. So let's start with characteristics of covalent bond. This is similar to properties or characteristics of ionic bond. So first one there we will see is physical state. In ionic bond the physical state is crystalline solid because they are arranged in orderly manner. In case of covalent bond they are exist in solid, liquid and gas. So they are exist in solid, liquid and gases. So solid means example they take given as diamond, liquid is water, oxygen. So these are the examples for physical state. So in this physical state sometimes the covalent you will tell whether covalent bond is stronger or weaker depends on attraction between the molecules. And second one is conductivity. So in ionic bond already we studied in solids it is insulator, when molten state it is conductor. In case of covalent they are always bad conductors, that means do not insulators. Bad conductors are insulators. Reason is they do not contains charges. They do not contain charges, that's why charged particles do not contain charged particles, that's why they are insulators. And third one is melting point. So previously in ionic bond we see this high melting and boiling point because the electrons are arranged in orderly manner, are perfectly packed, so we need more energy to remove that bond. So hence more energy means definitely melting point and boiling point are also high. In case of covalent bond it is low melting point. Low melting point than ionic compounds or ionic, except diamond and silicon carbide SiC. So except these molecules of covalent bonds, so remaining molecules are low melting point than ionic compounds. And next one is solubility. Solubility, ionic compounds are soluble in polar solvent, insoluble in non-polar solvent. Reverse for covalent compounds. Covalent compounds are soluble in non-polar solvents. So soluble in non-polar solvents, already I said non-polar solvent examples. So examples means ether, benzene, chloroform, etc. So covalent compounds are soluble only in this solvents only, that is non-polar solvent. And last one is reactivity or reaction. So in ionic compound they undergo ionic reaction. In case of covalent bond they undergo molecular reaction. So ionic bond undergo ionic reaction, covalent bond undergo molecular reaction. Because of this the reaction is slow. Because of this, the reaction is slow. In case of ionic, the reaction is rapid and instantaneous. In case of covalent bond, the reaction is slow. So these are about characteristics of covalent bond. It is an important 5-mark question they will ask in the exam. That's what I am telling. Suppose if they ask in 5-mark question means you have to try this 5 points. These points alone is enough. Suppose if they ask in 3-mark means you write 4 points because 1 point is safer side. If they ask in 2-mark question means you write 3 points because of, suppose if any 1 point wrong means you will get other point if correct means you will get full marks. So these are all about characteristics of covalent bond. Next we will see Fajan's rule.